This is Dabu7. Want to share with you guys here a curious clip from Spain. We have individuals that took this video clip on October 7th asking for help identifying what this is that shoots into this cloud of lightning. I'm going to leave a link so you guys can study the original yourself. I've heard theories of ball lightning, other things. People say UFOs. But it is what you see right here. And I'll run it a couple times here, full speed. And then I'll run it one time in slow motion. It's right there where it comes into frame. And you can see it going down and into the heart of this storm. Very interesting. So I'll leave a link. Let me know what you guys think. There it is. It's been Dabu7. Eyes to the skies.